Did you know more than half of all US job postings on Indeed this year don't require a degree? That's right. This could indicate that hiring managers are more interested in your skills than your level of education. So how can you show off your skills to employers? With a skills-first resume. A skills-first resume seamlessly integrates your most relevant skills into different sections, allowing your expertise to shine through naturally. With this board, I'll guide you through 5 ways to craft this attention-grabbing resume. And stick around for a bonus tip that can supercharge your job search. Let's kick off your resume with your professional summary. This is the teaser trailer, the sneak peek, the appetizer to get your readers hungry for more. As the opener of your resume, this is the perfect place to introduce important keywords from the job description. Mention the skill, of course, but also throw in details on how you used it and what kind of results you had. Here's an example for how to include organization in a medical assistant's professional summary. Used organization skills to execute patient treatment plans, creating medication and physical activity timelines, measuring progress, and adjusting to patient needs and abilities. Next will be your skills section. You see what I did there? We're used to adding skills as the last section of the resume, but not this time. We're bringing them center stage, spotlight on. After all, this is a skills-first resume. Be careful not to overload this section. Yes, you want to broadcast your relevant skills, but if you list too many skills here, the reader may become overwhelmed and miss important details. Focus on the top 10 to 15 hard skills in this section. Things like industry or role-related software, communication platforms, and technical tools. For example, a medical assistant may include skills such as patient interaction, medical terminology knowledge, phlebotomy and EKG proficiency, electronic health record management, HIPAA compliance, basic medical coding, and billing knowledge. And don't forget about your transferable skills. Listing skills like leadership, communication, and collaboration can really round out this section. After skills, we're moving on to your work experience. Let's get into the nitty-gritty with this section and elaborate on these skills with a lot more detail. As you probably guessed, this is a beefier section. Use bullet points to show not only which skills you've used, but how you applied them and the results of your efforts. Include details like volume, percentages, and metrics to give weight to your skills. An example bullet point highlighting clinical experience could be: oversaw patient intake for a high-volume clinic, processing over 30 patients each day and increasing patient satisfaction scores by 20%. And finally, education. You didn't spend all that time and energy sitting in class, studying at coffee shops, and pulling all-nighters to ace exams just to leave these accomplishments off your resume. In this section, you can highlight specific skills gained through coursework, affiliations, and areas of study. Examples include listing medical law and ethics courses to highlight your relevant knowledge, or showcasing your role as president of a student organization to spotlight your leadership skills and passion for the industry. So now you know where and how to add skills to your resume. That's great, but how do you know which skills to add? Use keywords from the job description. Find a few job descriptions for roles you're interested in and identify common skills listed between them. If all of them ask for communication, critical thinking, and project management skills, and you have those skills, you definitely want to add those to your resume. Every job description focuses on different needs and qualifications. Make sure you're aligning yourself to the role at hand. If you add your skills to all of these sections, then you'll have a skills-first resume. And as promised, I've got a bonus tip to help you grab the attention of recruiters and hiring managers. Create and complete your free Indeed profile. Is this a shameless plug? Yes. Can it help you in your job search? You bet. Not convinced? Job seekers with saved profile preferences are 82% more likely to be contacted by employers after applying. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to be seen. Your Indeed profile will have all of the same sections we just reviewed: professional summary, skills, work history, and education. That means you can use the skills-first approach with your profile too. Explore Indeed and discover more tips like these to find your next great job.